Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. This is me, Tapash Kumar Pradhan, a student of the political science, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. So, in this session, we are going to discuss the few of the questions which is already asked in your examinations. So, previous year question. As you know that we are in a series of the covering solving the previous year question. Because the time is so near, so that we have to be understand that how can be they make question, and you have to prepare accordingly. So this is the today's agenda. And guys, there was a small mistake from my side that last today that video which basically made by me, I told to you that the Lokayata bill in Odisha basically implemented in 2015. So that was wrong. Make it correct. That is the 2014. So I hope you might have a go through the Google it. And the last day's homework question answer is like 1968, the first Minoburu conference. So thank you everyone, those are participating and providing the answer in comment section. So without delay, let's get start our today discussions. So guys, the first question in front of you, and this is the paper of 2018 of SSB Political Science Odisha. So without delay, let's get start. So which are the major political party in the United States? So option is like People's Federal Party and Democratic Party, Democratic Party and Labour Party, Conservative Party and Liberal Party, Republican Party and the Democratic Party. So guys, answer would be like the major political party in United States, that is how Republican Party and the Democratic Party. And this was the question of 2018. Okay, so similarly you have to understand the political party in UK, that they can ask the question. So political party in UK, that Conservative Party, and the Labour Party, that political party in basically UK. Okay, this was the basic question, and this is so easy question, it can be downable. But the thing is that this is going to be little typical, that when was the Communist Party of India Marxist was emerged. All of us know that it was created in 1964. But the examiner is quite interesting to ask this question through their month, exact date. So we have to prepare accordingly. So that's why I make a chart for you, that different political party and their related month and exact date, which is going to be crucial from the exam point of view upcoming. So this is what we basically going to discuss in these sessions. Okay, the next questions is like the basically question number. Okay, so this is how. Then which schedule of the Indian constitution deals with the problem of problem of defection in India? So guys, defection in India, problem of defection or anti-defection law, it is the 10th schedule. So 10th schedule talk about 1985, the anti-defection law, the disqualification of the member of parliament and legislature, so state legislature. That is how 10th schedule is talk about that thing. So this is how what the answer is like 10th schedule. And if I talk about the 10th schedule, it is related to the amendment 52 amendment of the constitutional amendment act 52, talk about the anti-defection law. So this is what we have prepared here. So our objective is not solving the only PYQ, but we have to understand that how can be question frame. So 10th schedule, it was done in the 52 Constitutional Amendment Act 1985. So during the time of the Rajiv Gandhi government. So this is how we understand these things. Similarly, the 6th schedule is all about here the tribal areas. Okay, so 6th schedule talk about Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram. Okay guys, so 4 state, that is the ATMM, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram, that 4 states is basically mentioned in the 6th schedule. Okay, 8th schedule, your official language is 8th schedule. Okay, 8th schedule is official language is 8th schedule. 12th schedule, it is the Panchayat Raj municipal system is the 12th schedule. Okay, municipal system 12th schedule, and article 243P to 243 ZG. So 243P to 243 ZG is deal with the basically your 12th schedule, the municipality. Okay, so this is how what you have to be remember from the exam point of view. And from here you have to prepare that the all the 12th schedule of from the 1 to 12th schedule of the Indian Constitution, their subject matter. So there can be a chance that can they ask the questions. The next question, like, under whose prime ministership the coalition government was formed in 1975? So guys, option Lal Bahadur Shastri, Moraji Desai, PB Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. So answer is like Moraji Desai. Under the basically prime ministership of Moraji Desai, the 1975 the coalition government was basically created. So as you know, the examiner here basically notice that quite interesting that asking about the coalition government. For example, let's recall that coalition government in Odisha. First is like we already studied 22 May 1959, the first coalition government. Okay, the first coalition government 22 May 1959. Okay, so Ganatantra Parishad and Jana Congress. So Ganatantra Parishad and Jana Congress, through the help of the Ganatantra Parishad and Jana Congress. So this first coalition is basically created in Odisha 22 May 1959. So you have to at any cost remember all the coalition government in the Odisha, because the examiner is now quite interesting to ask the question. So they can ask the question, who is the chief minister during that time. So that's why you have to also remember that things. Okay, so this is how they can ask the questions. When was the National Students Union of India basically established? Its answer is going to be the 9th April 1971. Okay, so I have made a chart of it, so you have to discuss this thing, that how can we tackle this kind of questions, because it's little typical. So 9th April 1971, that is the National Student Union of India was basically established. Then through which amendment the word secular was inserted into the preamble of the Indian Constitution? That is, guys, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. The secular, socialist and the integrity, the three words basically added in the preamble by Indian constitutions. Okay, what is the constitutional basis of doctrine of severability? Option A, 13 clause 1 and 2. Option B, 19 clause 1 and 2. Option C, 23 article clause 1 and 2. Option D, 27 article clause 27 clause 1 clause 2. So you have to provide this thing is your homework. Doctrine of the severability in India. Okay, so which article talk about and what does it mean by doctrine of severability and doctrine of eclipse? Okay, doctrine of severability and eclipse, doctrine of eclipse. So you have to search in Google, because by searching your own self you can learn the thing as well. So this is what we have to be understands. Then another question is like, which I would like to discuss with you, which part of Indian Constitution contain the provision of pertaining to the amendment of the Constitution? So which part? So part 4th, part 10, part 15, part 20. So guys, part 20 talk about the amendment of the Constitution. Okay, so amendment of the Constitution part 20. So from here you have to mark it correct, that few of the amendment you have to remember as like the basically it is the part 20 is the amendment. Similarly, emergency, your part 18 is talk about your what, the emergency. Okay, part 15 is talk about what, part 15 is elections. Okay, so this is what we have to remember, part 15 is elections. Okay, part 17 is all about official language. So this is what you have to remember, official language. Can anyone tell me official language deals with which schedule? It is the 8th schedule of the Constitution. The official language also mentioned there. Okay, official language, how many official language right now? There are 22. Okay, so when the Odia became a official or the part of the 8th schedule, it was the 96th. Okay, it was the 96th Constitutional Amendment Act 2003 that Odia became a part of the official language or 8th schedule in the 96th Constitutional Amendment Act 2003. So this is the what measure you have to be revised while you solving the PIQ. Then I would like to switch to all of you the discussion of the table chart. So this is going to be important from the exam point of view, that this is the surprise from my side to you, that important political party and year. Okay, so Indian National Congress was created on 28 December 1885. Nowadays there is no utility to remember 1885 only. We have to remember this thing. So 28 December 1885 the Indian National Congress was created. So then you can crack the questions. Similarly, CPI was created on 26 December 1925. Okay guys, so 26 December 1925 CPI Marxist, it was a PYQ of 2018. That is how the 7th November 1964 the CPI Marxist was created, 7th November 1964. Okay, this is what you have to remember here. Okay, BJP now is basically ruling in India. So 6th April 1980, okay, the one of the leading figure of the political party. So 6th April 1980 you have to remember at any cost. So before your examination, 6th April 1980 the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party now get a national party, okay, 2nd October 2012. Okay, now get a national party status 2nd October 2012. That is how Aam Aadmi Party, that you have to remember also. Okay, BJD now ruling in India, ruling in Odisha. So this is what we have to remember at any cost. So 26 December 1997, at a multiple time we have to discuss that thing, because by the discussion we can remember this thing. Okay, BJD was created 26 December 1997. Okay, NCP National Congress Party, Sharad Pawar. So 10th June 1999 it was created. Yes guys, 10th June 1999 Sharad Pawar created this NCP National Congress Party. National Student Union of India, okay, National Student Union of India, the 9th April 1971. देखो guys, 9th April 1971 National Student Union of India. So now the examiner is asking about not only the political party but also the wings, different part of the its political party. National Student Union of India is part of the Indian National Congress. So now they not only ask about Indian National Congress but also they ask about its part, like Indian National Student Union of India, 9th April 1971. It was the PYQ of year 2018. Similarly, Akhila Bharatiya Vidya Parishad ABVP was 9th July 1949. It is now a part of the BJP. So there is can be a chance that can ask the question, because BJP now ruling in India. They can ask BJP when created. So 6th April 1980, or even they can ask the question Akhila Bharatiya Vidyapitha Parishad as a student wing of the BJP was created in which year? So 1949 9 July. Yes guys, 1949 9 July this Akhila Bharatiya Vidyapitha Parishad basically was created. So you can remember this thing by multiple practice, multiple making question. So this is how thing. But you do remember your homework is like doctrine of the severability. So you have to search in Google what does it mean and which article of it deal with. Then you can provide your answer in comment section and you can also learn with me. So this is all about from my side. Thank you everyone for participating with me and providing answer in comment section. I would really appreciate your such effort. This is from my side and I hope it is a like to you. And if you like my effort, do press the bell icon, do like and do share with your friend, because sharing is always caring. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.